Yeah, we'll discuss Excel if condition. If condition, comma, the true statement and comma false statement. So three parameters. First parameter is condition, second parameter is true value, and the third parameter is false value. Look at a simple example over there. It returns good if a value in column B is greater than 10. It returns bad if value in column B is not greater than 10. Very simple. The last two parameters are optional, but we need to specify if you want to check whether it is true or false. Look at the things clearly. The first one is B greater than 10, comma, comma, bad, within double quotations. Whereas in the second example, that is B1 greater than 10, comma, look at the quotations clearly and try to observe the difference. What exactly is it? In the first case, if you just left something like comma, wherever the condition is true, observe the zeros. And look at the second case, wherever the condition is true, means 13, 11, 16, you observe the empty space. Now look at this again. If B2 is greater than 10, good. Now what if not greater than 10? You just observe false. Look at the second one. B2 greater than 10, good, comma. Look at the comma. Now observe the answers. Zeros. The third one, B2 greater than 10, good, comma, and look at the quotations and observe the difference. Very simple things, but you need to observe the difference carefully, because if you want to practice on big things, these are all very important. These plays very important role in it. Look at this. If B1 greater than 10, true, otherwise false. Look at what are there. If B1 greater than 10, true. The third parameter is not specified. Automatically it takes false. You can use if statement even to perform a math operation. Look at example 1. Whatever it is, A1 greater than B1, it is true, then whatever is in C3 multiplied by 10, otherwise whatever is in C3 multiplied by 5. These type of annotations can also be used. Look at example 2. If A1 not equal to B1, sum of A1 to D1, otherwise leave it blank. So we have various operators, greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Look at the examples in a clear way, and also the description. You just observe the third parameter always. Third parameter is left blank, or third parameter is in double quotations, or any string. That is to be observed very clearly. Look at another example. If the formula returns no if C2 is delivered, otherwise S. Look at the delivery status delivered. One is in small letters, one is in capital letters, one is in first letter capital letter. And you just observe the action required. Yeah, look at this example to case sensitive. Yeah, means exact match. We use the function exact, EXACT. It compares the exact letters, including capital letters, to case sensitive. That needs to be matched exactly. Look at the action required. No for oranges. And look at that if condition again here. We used a search function since it's a case sensitive and match suits better for our data. Search for DELIV in C2. If it is found, then no, otherwise S. We can use if even with date values also. Look at this example. If your C2 is less than date value of 11/19/2014, less than that, then you get completed, otherwise coming soon. The if formula evaluates the dates in column C and returns completed if a game was played before November 11. Okay, look at another example. We used today function here. If your A2 minus today is greater than 30, then future date, otherwise blank. Hence you are allowed to apply various type of functions available in Excel in doing transactions with conditional statements like if and all. I want both indications in one column. I can use nested if function. One if inside another if is called nested if function. Look at if inside another if. So what happens if you put blank statements? Look at the examples directly. If A1 is equal to blank, returns 0, otherwise returns 1. We have is blank. Is blank verifies whether it is in blank or not. And similarly not equal to that blank, double quotations, and yeah, we have different sessions like if it is a non-blank cell. Yeah, this is a simple example. If your C2 is not equal to blank, you get completed. Otherwise, you won't get anything. We can use multiple conditions also with the help of logical operators and or not. If a value in column C is greater than or equal to 20 and value in column D is also greater than or equal to 30 is pass, otherwise fail. We have two conditions here and two conditions to be satisfied if I use AND. We can use combination of AND or also. Just go through the example. Condition 1 is C greater than or equal to 20 and D greater than or equal to 25. And condition 2 is C greater than or equal to 15 and D greater than or equal to 20. If either of the above conditions are satisfied, exam is passed, otherwise failed. We can have multiple if conditions like this. Now look at another example. 70 or more excellent, between 60 and 69 satisfactory, good, between 41 and 59 satisfactory, and 40 or less is poor. Yeah, there is one nested if condition here. We can use even functions like sum, min, max, etc. with all if conditions. Just go through the example clearly. The total score is greater than or equal to 120 is good. Satisfactory if it is between 90 and 119. And poor if it is less than 90. Now look at another example. We can use min and max to find the best result, the best total and the worst total. F4. Yeah, F4 represents. Yeah, using each number verifies whether the thing in cell is a numeric value or not. Similarly, each text verifies whether it is in text or not. Look at the example clearly. If each text of B1 true, you get text. If it is a number, you get number. If it is a blank, you get blank, blank. We can have things like this. See few more examples. Each number and such is used, and we used even COUNTIF in our second example. That star matches, asterisk matches a series of 0 or more characters.